Namaste everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into the spiritual significance of one of the lesser known but deeply revered temples in India, the Gopeshwar Mahadev, also known as the Lords of the Gopis. If you are someone who is curious about ancient temples and the divine stories that have shaped our culture, this video is definitely for you. The Gopeshwar Mahadev Temple. The Gopeshwar Mahadev Temple is located in the beautiful town of Gopeshwar, nestled in the Chamoli district of Uttarakhand. It is said that Gopeshwar Mahadev is the eternal guardian of Vrindavan and the protector of the Ras Leela. To this day, devotees who visit the temples of Gopeshwar Mahadev believe that by seeking his blessings, they can draw closer to Lord Krishna and find inner peace. Who is Gopeshwar Mahadev? To understand the legend of Gopeshwar Mahadev, we need to step back in time to the sacred lands of Vrindavan, the birthplace of divine love and eternal devotion. This place is intimately connected to Lord Krishna, the Supreme Being, and his beloved Radha. Along with the gopis, the divine cowherd girls whose love for Krishna knew no bounds. But there's another significant figure in this entire tale who often remains behind the scenes, quietly watching over this divine Leela. That figure is none other than Lord Shiva, the cosmic yogi, the protector of the universe, and the embodiment of devotion. Now we know that Lord Shiva is an eternal partner to Goddess Parvati in this material world. The call of the gopis. It is said that one day when Krishna was in the beautiful forests of Vrindavan, he gathered all the gopis around him. They were deeply in love with him, but this love was not one of mere earthly attachment. It was pure, selfless devotion. Lord Krishna, with his flute and his divine smile, called them to join him in the Ras Leela, a mystical dance of divine love. However, Lord Krishna was not just inviting them to a dance, he was calling them to experience the highest form of spiritual union, one that transcended the material world. It was a moment of divine ecstasy where each gopi became united with the Lord in the most intimate way possible through love that was beyond physical boundaries, beyond time, and beyond space. But here's where the story takes a divine turn. Lord Krishna, in his wisdom, understood that while the love of the gopis was pure, the sacredness of the Ras Leela could not proceed without the blessings of Lord Shiva. After all, Lord Shiva is the ultimate hermit, the supreme yogi who transcends all forms of worldly attachment. And it was believed that only when Shiva himself blessed the Ras Leela would the dance and devotion of the gopis be truly blessed. Lord Shiva's blessing. Lord Krishna therefore called upon his eternal companion Lord Shiva. He approached Lord Shiva with the request, O Mahadev, grant me your blessing. Only with your divine approval, the Ras Leela can reach its highest form. Lord Shiva, who had always been a great admirer of Lord Krishna Leela, agreed to grant this request. But Shiva's devotion was not just of an ordinary kind. He was not someone to sit in the sidelines of this divine drama. Shiva wanted to be a part of this Ras Leela himself. So, in a display of his immense love for Lord Krishna and the gopis, Lord Shiva took on the form of Gopeshwar Mahadev or the Lord of the Gopis. The transformation into Gopeshwar Mahadev. When Shiva transformed into Gopeshwar Mahadev, it was not just an ordinary manifestation. It took on the divine aspect of a protector and witness of the sacred dance. He remained in the form of a humble, serene deity in the forests of Vrindavan, silently watching over the divine love that unfolded during the Ras Leela. His presence ensured that the play of Lord Krishna and the gopis remained pure and undisturbed. It is said that whenever the Ras Leela took place, Gopeshwar Mahadev was there protecting the spiritual essence of that love and devotion of Lord Krishna and the gopis. He was both a guardian and an observer, silently witnessing the highest form of spiritual love beyond the limits of the material world. Let's understand the importance of Gopeshwar Mahadev for devotees. For centuries, people have visited this sacred temple seeking the blessings of Gopeshwar Mahadev not just for material gains but for spiritual elevation. His grace is believed to help one overcome the distractions of the world, leading to a deeper, purer devotion and ultimately to union with the divine, just like the gopis experienced in their external love for Lord Krishna. You are ever in the vicinity of Uttarakhand, do make sure to visit the Gopeshwar Mahadev temple and experience its high spiritual vibrancy for yourself. I hope this video has brought some light on this divine place and Lord Shiva's eternal presence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on spiritual places and sacred stories. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you have ever visited Gopeshwar Mahadev yourself. Radhe Radhe.